Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to effectively ask ChatGPT for recommendations on learning resources. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, getting personalized learning suggestions has never been easier. So let's start. So you need to clearly state your topic of interest. Be specific about what you want to learn. For example, I'm looking for resources on beginning coding languages. Or how about can you suggest books about space exploration? So let's ask ChatGPT. So as you can see, ChatGPT will provide her recommendations for the resources that you're looking for. And you can also state that if you want it a video or online courses or books, you need to mention your preferred format. Let ChatGPT know your preference. So you need to also specify your current level of knowledge. For example, if you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner, this will help ChatGPT tailor the recommendations to your skill level. Be open to more details. The more you share, the better the recommendations. Let ChatGPT know if you're seeking free resources or if you're willing to invest in premium content. And of course, remember to ask politely. Kindness goes a long way. A simple "could you please suggest some resources" will do. And that's it. You now know how to ask ChatGPT for personalized learning resources recommendation. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching How to Ask ChatGPT for Recommendations on Learning Resources. Learning is a journey, and by harnessing the power of AI, you're taking a step towards expanding your horizons. Remember, knowledge is a gift you give yourself. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you on my next video.